Roundabout, turn right, third exit. Follow the sign for city centre. So keep your car to the right, inside mirror, right mirror, signal right, slow down, check your left mirror now, look there in the road, assess your roundabout, check your inside mirror, left mirror now, right mirror now, assess the roundabout again, keep assessing, look on the road there on the top, assess the road again. When it's safe, come on the roundabout, go close near the circle. It's first, second, inside mirror, left mirror, and come off in lane 1. Left mirror again, inside right mirror check, follow the road ahead now.